Hello everyone, welcome. I'm Nick. Shady music in the background where we take a look at some of the new features in UnitySelect. So finally with this release, I've gotten a chance to start taking a more closed source approach to the tool. So with the new download files, you can grab yourself this UnitySelect package that gives you a DLL for the tool's functionality and everything else that's needed in an easily installable way compared to the previous versions where I was giving out the full code that you had to copy and paste yourself into the project. Moving on, the tool has now begun to take a more scriptable object approach to the way it manages its files. So now almost everything you do can be stored in scriptable objects, and we'll be able to persist between between closing and opening Unity, and this will obviously allow us to easier manage data inside the tool. Now, using inside the type selection, you can edit the list and you can hide unwanted objects. This has been a feature for quite some time. Now the improvement is that it obviously uses the scriptable object approach, and when you hide an object, it will keep itself hidden forever until you clear the ignore list in spite of opening and closing Unity. The next thing is inside the edit list, you can now select an object, right, and then change the display name, right? So the specific name of the object remains the same, such as with node objects, they are still called node objects, but their button is called my nodes. So that's useful for things that are really long, such as this Unity engine .ui .horizontal layout group objects. So you can just edit the list and look for that specific object. There it is, and I'm just going to say horizontal layouts, if I could get that right. Hit E, and it's a lot easier to spot now. There it is, horizontal layouts. So the name, the actual name is shown, and besides it is the name that's being shown for the button, right? So those are the new features inside of UnitySelect. I'm going to be moving on to some other features, adding things such as custom selections that don't involve types but rather are a combination of things, and hope to see you then.